Can you really build a business without doing it yourself? Starting a business used to mean late nights, endless spreadsheets, and doing everything by hand. But what if you could build an entire company without hiring a single person? No designers, no marketers, no assistants, just artificial intelligence handling every part of the process. That is exactly what I set out to do. Launch a real business powered only by AI tools. From branding and website design to customer support and ad creation, it was all done by machine. I wanted to see how far automation had really come and if AI could deliver results. Spoiler alert, it was way more powerful than I expected. But not without its surprises. The speed, efficiency, and low cost were mind-blowing, especially for a solo entrepreneur. But there were also moments where AI lacked judgment, creativity, or human instinct. Still, the business came to life within days, an entire brand built from scratch by code. Products were listed, content was created, and ads were launched, all without writing a single line of code. I went from idea to live business in under a week using tools anyone can access. It felt like having a full team working behind the scenes, except they never sleep. In this video, I will show you exactly what tools I used, how I built everything, and what went right. You will also see the limitations and why human input is still essential in some areas. This experiment was more than a hustle. It was proof of concept for the future of entrepreneurship. We are entering a world where your business partner could be an algorithm, not a person. So if you are curious about building your own brand with zero staff and 100% AI, keep watching. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe if you want more real-world AI experiments like this one. 1. Starting from zero with an AI business plan. I began with nothing but an idea, a digital product I thought people would find useful. Instead of writing a traditional business plan, I asked ChatGPT to generate one for me. In seconds, it gave me a full roadmap, market analysis, pricing strategy, and customer segments. I refined the idea through conversation, letting the AI act as my brainstorming partner. Once I liked the direction, I asked for a full go-to-market strategy and monetization plan. It outlined launch platforms, growth tactics, email campaigns, and upsell opportunities with clear steps. This was like having a business consultant, strategist, and marketer rolled into one. With no business degree, I now had a clear action plan tailored to my niche. The AI even simulated competitor research by analyzing public data and trends from similar brands. I adjusted my angle slightly based on gaps it found in the market space. From the first hour, AI helped me avoid mistakes that would have cost time and money. I realized quickly that strategy is no longer reserved for corporate executives. It is a prompt away. Even naming the business was automated. AI generated hundreds of catchy, brandable names. I picked one, asked for domain ideas, and it even checked availability on major platforms. All within the first few hours, I had a business name, brand concept, and growth plan. This stage usually takes weeks, but AI turned it into a one-day process. 2. Building the brand with AI design tools. Next up was branding, logos, color schemes, and design assets, all created with AI. I used tools like Looka and Logomaker to generate professional logos in minutes. After choosing a logo style, I asked AI to suggest brand colors and matching fonts. The entire brand identity was ready within an hour, and it looked shockingly polished. I used AI image generators to create product visuals, social banners, and website assets. Every graphic, mock-up, and promo image was created without opening Photoshop or Illustrator. For website design, I turned to tools like Durable and Framer AI. You describe your business, and it creates an entire website with images and copy included. I added a few tweaks, tested the layout, and had a full landing page live in hours. The AI wrote homepage text, product descriptions, testimonials, and even the About section. I barely lifted a finger, just approve or revise what it suggested in real time. This saved me hundreds of dollars I would have spent on developers or designers. Best of all, it gave me confidence that even non-tech founders can look professional online. I could also generate multiple versions and A/B test different homepage layouts using AI. Branding was no longer a bottleneck. It became a fast, flexible, creative process powered by automation. 3. Creating and selling the product with AI. Once the brand was in place, it was time to build and sell the actual product. Since I chose a digital product, I used ChatGPT to help create the content itself. It helped me outline the structure, write the modules, and even create quizzes and templates. Each section was refined using AI feedback until the whole product felt polished and useful. I also used Eleven Labs to generate a voiceover for the welcome video using AI narration. The product felt premium, even though no human voice or studio was ever used. I listed it on platforms like Gumroad and Payhip with AI-generated descriptions and metadata. Then came the fun part, setting up AI-powered emails and sales pages. Tools like Copy, AI and Jasper wrote the entire sales funnel with persuasive hooks and CTAs. Every email was personalized, emotionally resonant, and optimized for conversion. I connected all of this with automation software like Zapier and MailerLite. This meant people could land on my site, buy the product, and get follow-ups without me lifting a finger. Customer onboarding, feedback surveys, and upsell emails were all generated and scheduled by AI. Even customer service was handled using a chatbot that could answer basic questions instantly. 4. Marketing the business with AI campaigns. Of course, no business survives without visibility, so I let AI take over my marketing too. First, I used ChatGPT and Jasper to write content for blogs, newsletters, and social media posts. It created SEO-optimized articles, tweet threads, Instagram captions, and even YouTube scripts. For visuals, I generated attention-grabbing images and thumbnails with Midjourney and Canva AI. Video ads were built using Runway Gen 3 and Picolabs. Text-to-video tools with cinematic results. I launched Facebook and Instagram ads using Ad Creative, AI to generate headlines and copy. Even the targeting suggestions were AI-powered, helping me reach the right audience fast. I connected all campaigns to Google Analytics and let AI analyze which ones performed best. It told me when to post, what content was resonating, and where to double down. I never felt like I was guessing. Data guided every move, and AI interpreted it for me. I also ran email marketing sequences entirely written and optimized by machine. Subject lines, preview text, and calls to action were all tested with AI heat maps. The marketing engine was not only smart, it was fast and responsive to every trend. Within days, I saw real traffic, engagement, and even a few sales roll in. I had never felt this level of control and clarity in a launch before. 5. What worked, what failed, and what I learned. This AI-powered business launch taught me what is possible and what is still very human. The good, speed, affordability, and access to professional-grade tools without needing any team. I went from idea to launch in under a week, spending less than a fancy dinner. AI helped me make smart decisions faster and avoid beginner mistakes at every step. It removed excuses, simplified the process, and gave me confidence to try bold ideas. But not everything worked. Some content felt robotic, and customer replies needed human empathy. The AI could not feel frustration or offer emotional support when users got confused. It also struggled with nuance. Things like humor, sarcasm, or cultural references sometimes fell flat. Marketing copy occasionally lacked soul and needed tweaking to sound authentic. And while the AI gave endless suggestions, it could not prioritize them without guidance. I realized the key to success is not just using AI. It is directing it with clarity. You still need to lead, review, and bring heart to the brand you are building. The most successful moments came when I combined my vision with AI speed and scale. This fusion of human creativity and machine efficiency is what modern entrepreneurship is all about. Your business partner is no longer human. We are entering a new age where one person with AI can achieve what once took a full team. Design, marketing, operations, and sales. AI can now handle them all, faster and cheaper. This is not just a tech trend. It is a shift in who gets to build and how fast. If you have ever wanted to launch something but felt overwhelmed, this is your moment. AI removes the barriers of money, skill, and time, and replaces them with tools, speed, and access. But remember, AI is not magic. It is a reflection of how clearly you communicate your vision. Use it to amplify, not replace, your unique voice and ideas. I built a business using only AI, and while it was not perfect, it was completely possible. If this inspired you or gave you ideas for your own journey, like this video and subscribe now. The future of business is not just automated, it is available to anyone with the will to try.